I'm Kevin Shaw, and you're watching the Watercraft Journal.
In a day when enthusiasts want everything but the kitchen sink available on their personal watercraft, it's impressive to see the leading sales brand Sea-Doo offer a one-seater muscle craft. The 2021 RXP-X wowed all of us when first introduced, not just for its aggressive styling and whip-snap cornering prowess, but also for its intimate single-rider ergonomics, dubbed ErgoLock R. And being a muscle craft, Sea-Doo sought to shave off some extra pounds where possible, so some otherwise expected features were absent, which is understandable. But here's the problem. Folks still want the ride and feel of a sporty muscle craft without sacrificing the creature comforts and conveniences of a fully loaded three-seater. So what do? Well, you turn to Sea-Doo's parts and accessories catalog, that's what you do. While we could have gone hog wild and marked off a whole lot of stuff that we really didn't need, like the USB port and phone charger, heated hand grips, and maybe even the drop-in bumpers, we were looking for maximizing the utility of our RXP-X 300, not really to turn it into a Cadillac. The first of our must-haves was the passenger seat exclusive for the 2021 and up RXP-X. Priced at $410, it was our most expensive edition, but also our most necessary as we plan on racking up plenty of ride time with the family. Designed specifically to pair up with the ErgoLock seat, the rear saddle features a very cool center handle. Made from heavy-duty pliable rubber, the handle is contoured for an easy, secure grip that sits in a pocket lined with breathable canvas. There's also side rails on either side, so there's plenty of places to hold on tight. Another must-have to make our RXP-X just a bit more user-friendly was the addition of Sea-Doo's spring-loaded boarding ladder. Priced at $215, it too can be a bit of a purchase, particularly after forking over a base MSRP of $15,800, but one that'll help reboarding a world easier. Last is what could easily be one of the best innovations for the GTI-based Sea-Doos, and that's the 1.6-gallon foam-molded lid organizer storage bag. Priced at a paltry $60, this single item is almost mandatory equipment for anyone with an RXP-X or GTI-based runabout. Thankfully, installation of all three of these items takes less time than it takes to gather up the tools to do it. The rear passenger seat merely requires removing both the lumbar pad from its perches and the removal of the snap-in base. With just 2 clicks, the rear passenger seat is locked into place, giving our co-pilot a comfortable spot to sit and a strong, durable handle to cling onto. Installing the lid organizer requires a socket wrench and a 5/32 Allen driver or a same-sized Allen wrench. Sea-Doo provides the necessary screws, which gratefully do not require any drilling to mount. The holes are already drilled into the Sea-Doo's hood base. Simply line up the screws with the holes and tighten them down snugly. Rubberized hoops make opening and closing the center storage bag or the mesh front pocket just as easy. Lastly, installing the folding boarding ladder requires the most tools, a 10mm socket and a socket wrench, and a 10mm box-ended wrench. The long stainless shoulder bolts, washers, and nylon locking nuts all come included. Equally, your Sea-Doo will come from the factory with the integrated mounting points on the watercraft, making this a direct bolt-on installation. And extra points go to Sea-Doo for making the fitment so tight that the ladder literally kept its place while we threaded in the 4 bolts. It was really convenient. Now reboarding our Sea-Doo is as easy as ever. With our newly equipped RXP-X, we hit the water. And with a link cooler packed full of ice and drinks mounted to the deck, we were ready for a day out on the lake. Sure, we felt a little guilty saddling our racy muscle craft with some extra weight, which is sure to slow it down a bit, but we dramatically opened up the Sea-Doo's usefulness and utility in a matter of minutes. Again, it's all about getting the most use and enjoyment out of your Sea-Doo, and we wouldn't want our RXP-X any other way. I'm Kevin Shaw, and thanks for watching the Watercraft Journal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. It'll definitely help us grow the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the new videos that we publish every day, Sunday through Friday. And if you want more great jet ski content, make sure to go to www.watercraftjournal.com where new articles are written and published every day, Monday through Friday, entirely subscription free to you.